Hi designers, let's bring a scenic concept to life. A circular shutter logo with a mountain inside and sun rays shining outward.
Sometimes I'm sad.